Hello everyone, I wanted to give you just a quick little heads up on what the NuFace fix is all about, which I received complimentary from Influenster for testing and review purposes. I was interested in this before, but hadn't purchased it yet, so I received it in the mail. It comes in this beautiful little box, and it's such a sleek little beautiful device. It pops out easily. It comes with a USB charging cable underneath this. So easy to charge and take along with travel. I love the sleek little device. Comes with a lid also to keep it clean with travel. Super duper easy to use. The other thing I have with it is the NuFace Fix Serum, which is amazing. You basically just apply a little bit of this on a clean face. You can apply it over makeup as well. And then what you do is after charging your device, you push the on button, which is here, and then it emits a little pulsating sensation from the tips here, the pulse. You put it directly on your face, namely the outside of your eye area or your nasolabial folds or little smile lines, anywhere you have a little bit of maybe unwanted wrinkles, and you just use kind of an erasing motion up and down, side to side. There's a great video that comes on their website giving some more information about it, and it'll last for about 3 minutes or so. After those 3 minutes are up, you can move to another side. This is totally safe to use a couple times a day, and I have to be honest, I have noticed such an improvement in the way my face looks, the reduction of those fine lines and wrinkles, and it's just really easy to hold, lightweight, easy to charge with that USB cable that comes with it for the bottom there. The excess serum, if you have any, you can just tap it onto your face and it really smooths out your skin as well here. So honestly, I would say this is a winner in my book. I have noticed dramatic improvements in my skin, and makes me feel better about myself, and I would definitely say go for it if you're thinking about buying one. And happy unwrinkling. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks.